Welcome back everyone to our channel. Are you a developer or creator trying to build an AI application, but you are completely sick of managing 10 different API keys and paying heavy monthly subscription fees to multiple companies, integrating video, image, audio, and chat models separately in an absolute nightmare? Today I am showing you a massive shortcut. I am doing a full review of a game-changing platform called Crun AI that gives you free trial access to over 100 top-tier AI models through one single undefined dashboard. Let's get right into it. So firstly is getting your free access. Open your browser and head over to Crun AI. You can find the link in the description below. The absolute best part about this platform is that there are no mandatory monthly subscription packages. When you sign up, you get a generous free trial to immediately start testing their massive library of models. You generate one single API key and you are instantly plugged into the back end of the most powerful AI systems on the planet without putting any money down upfront. Now, to explore the models, instead of being logged into one OpenAI or just Google, Crun gives you a total freedom across every category. Need to generate a cinematic, ultra-realistic video? You can instantly tap into Google VAL 3.1 or Sora 2. If you need high-resolution graphics, toggle over to Flux or Nano Banana Pro. Need complex coding and text generation? Switch straight to Claude or Gemini. It acts as a perfect drop-in replacement, meaning if you are a developer, you can migrate your existing apps to all of these models with literally one line of code. Finally, is understanding the long-term pricing. Once you finish your free trial, Crun AI operates on a strict pay-as-you-go model. This means you only pay a tiny fraction of a cent per specific generation. If you take a break for a week and do not use the AI, you pay exactly $0. This completely destroys the subscription fatigue of paying $20 a month for individual tools you barely use. They even include a built-in monitoring tab so you can track your API usage and costs in real time. So stop wasting your time wrestling with complex integrations and expensive subscriptions. If this review helped you streamline your AI workflow today, please smash that like button and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video.